dicker yet. Can't get no traction with her.
Oh yeah, buddy. They hit pretty good.
Yeah?
I was fucking calling that flying. You want to try?
Sure, I'll give her a shot.
Definitely put your helmet on. Never know.
Still recording?
I think so.
Oh shit. Sorry, buddies. Sorry, YouTubes. He's gonna try it too. I did it. It's not a very big jump or nothing, but it's a jump nonetheless. That fucking little bike will spit it right up. Look at that shit. Fucking dick. Fucking dickard. Here we go, buddy. Hey, man! I fell over too. Fucking hey. Didn't know what was behind me. It dicked me. Yeah, buddy, what do you think? I'm thinking you're covering me in mud. Hey, you can see the YouTube before we close her out.
Awesome.